Ambient temperature, 7 degrees. Out.
So Mike, can you tell us a little bit about how you specifically incorporate Amtrak onto the Southwestern Pacific?
The Southwestern Pacific, it tries to be a holistic railroad setting and operation and environment. And so the parts of the Western railroads that I find most interesting all have Amtrak trains on them. Mm-hmm. So I could not model Amtrak. So they're here because they're out there in the world. And so I try to, the fun I have with Amtrak is as I step back through the years, I change the paint scheme or the phases of Amtrak colors and the rolling stock. If you were here before when we had the P-42 locomotives in the Shamu, the whale paint style. Well, this is too early. That hasn't happened yet in 1992, so we have the three-stripe Amtrak style. So as I go backwards in history, it'll be a lot of fun to go to the phase when they had the heritage equipment. In other words, the old Pullman Standard and Bud passenger cars painted in Amtrak colors, and then what they called the Rainbow Era, which is before they'd gotten around to painting them. So you have yellow Union Pacific and green Northern Pacific and silver and red Southern Pacific cars mixed in with a few Amtrak colors. So watching the years unfold by changing the rolling stock is part of the game.
Well, Mike, thanks for having us at the Southwestern Pacific again and for sharing your knowledge with Amtrak operations.
Well, I want to give a shout out to Trackside Model Railroading because I enjoy every trip to every layout and I learn something from every article and interview you run. So if I can contribute to that body of knowledge, that's a proud moment for me, and thank you for asking. I enjoy having you guys over.
It's great to hear the firsthand. Yes, thank you so much.